Hi, love bugs. Today in math, we're going to make something called a name collection poster. So you're going to be making a poster. You could use any kind of paper you have at home. I'm going to be using lined paper. You could use blank paper, bigger paper, whatever you like to make your poster. Now for a name collection poster, you have to pick a number to start. Now, I'd like you to pick a number anywhere from 5 all the way to 20, okay? Don't do 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. I want to see you pick from 5 or all the way up to 20. You can pick what you want. And whatever the number is that you pick, okay, you're going to make a square at the top of your paper, and you're going to write that number inside, the number that you want to use for your number collection poster. So I'm going to be doing the number 10 as my example. This is the example. So I don't want you copying me. I don't want to see the number 10. I want to see what number you pick. But I'm going to show you how to make your poster first. And then you can make your poster based on what we did together. So my name collection poster is for the number 10. And what I'm going to do is show you a collection of ways, different ways that I can make 10. For example, one way that you can show me is you can draw a domino, because we had domino math. So I'm going to make a domino, and I'm going to split my domino into two sides, and I'm going to show you with dots on a domino how I can make 10. Well, I know I can have 3, 4, 5, 6 dots plus 4 dots would be a domino that equals 10 dots. So that's one way that I can show you 10. Another way that I can show you 10 is with like a pair of dice. You know how we've been using dice in our math games? So I'm going to show you, and I'll just make these a little bit 3D. You don't have to make yours 3D, love bugs. You could just make your dice or your die a square if you want. But I'm going to show you I can also make 10 on a pair of dice by doing this. I have one that shows 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another that shows 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the way my domino can show 10. This is a way that my dice can show 10. You know, I could do a subtraction problem too, a taking away problem. I'm going to start with the number 11. Now, if you need to use something to help you, you can. Maybe at home, remember, you could use anything, little toys, you can use whatever you've got. I've got some counters here. So if I want to do 11, and I'm doing a takeaway problem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I want to get to 10. Well, if I have 11 counters and I take 1 away, how much does that leave me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I get an answer of 10? Yes. So I had 11 counters minus I took away 1 counter. And I'm not going to write equals 10. The reason I'm not writing an equals is because this up here for my name collection poster is showing you that everything I draw down here equals that number. Okay, so I'm going to put my counters to the side for a minute. And let's see what I could do next. I could draw counters, right? We use counters in class. Counters look like this. They're circles. So I can draw 10 counters. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I drew 10 counters. I can do addition problems. Addition is where we add. So I'm going to make 2 different addition problems. Let's see. I'm going to make 10. So if I start with, how about this many counters? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm starting with 8 counters plus, let's see how many more make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 9, 10. How many more did I add? 2. So 8 plus 2 is one way to make 10. And I'm going to show you another way over here. What if I have this many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, let's see how many more it takes to get 10. So I have 5. I'm going to say that out loud. 5. And then I continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more over here did we add? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 5 plus 5 equaling 10. I don't write equals because my number is up here for my number poster. All right, so now I did a domino to show 10. I did on a pair of dice how to make 10. I did a subtraction problem. I drew counters. I did 2 addition problems. Now I'm going to make a tens frame. Okay, a tens frame. So I'm going to do my best to draw a tens frame. I make a line down the middle, and we have to have 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you might need a family member to help you make that tens frame. Now, if you're doing a number higher than 10, you're going to need a second tens frame here. Okay, so if you pick 11, 12, 13 to do a poster for, you're going to need a second tens frame. Now, to show you 10 in a tens frame, I have to color 10 circles in my tens frame. If you have a number less than 10, it can fit in one tens frame. If you have a number more than 10, you have to fit it over here, okay? Now, I can also write a sentence like this. 10 is 3 more than, let's see, 3 more than. So if I say 3, how many more did I have to start with that equaled 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 more than 7 equals 10. That's a little challenging. You could try that with your family. I could also do less than. I know that 10 is 1 less than the number 11. If I'm counting backwards, 11, 10 comes next. So it's 1 less than 11. All right? So I just showed you, oh, you know what else we could do? One more way. Tally marks. How can I show 10 with tally marks? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give a slide, give a little space. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I slide on a 5. So here's how I show 10 with tally marks. And this is a name collection poster. It's a great way to show different combinations, different ways to make one number. So what I want you to do now, you're not going to do 10, but you can pick the number 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20. You pick which one you want to do out of those numbers. You're going to make a box on your paper, put that number inside. Show me on a domino what it would look like. Show me on dice what it would look like. Show me a subtraction problem. Show me how many counters it is. Show me 2 ways to add to make it. Show me what it looks like on tens frames. Remember, if it's a number in the teens, you need 2 tens frames side by side. See if you can do a more than sentence. You can have a family member help you. 1 less than sentence. a less than sentence, and show me how it looks in tally marks. Love bugs, when you're done today, this you have to send me a picture of. This way I can credit you and count that you did your math today. I cannot wait to see your number collection posters. Okay, number collection posters are so much fun to make. They can be called number collection posters or name collection posters. So send me a picture of your name collection posters. Can't wait to see them, guys, and I'll see you next time for more math.